Today's discussion is about your mouth and how it is a window to your overall health, brought to you by Prescriptive Health Solutions. Your oral health is more important than you might realize. It is a window to your overall health, as the health of your mouth, teeth, and gums can affect your general health. Good oral health helps you enjoy life. It lets you speak clearly, taste, chew, and swallow delicious and nutritious foods, in addition to showing your feelings through facial expressions such as smiling. Let's explore. Like other areas of the body, your mouth is teeming with bacteria. It's mostly harmless, but your mouth is the entry point to your digestive and respiratory tracts, and some of these bacteria can cause disease. Normally, the body's natural defenses and good oral health care, such as daily brushing and flossing, keep bacteria under control. However, without proper oral hygiene, bacteria can reach levels that might lead to infections, such as tooth decay and gum disease. And while these facts and statistics may feel a little unsettling, you can take steps to have good oral health care well into your older adult age. This image shows an array of tightly layered microbes called a biofilm. In this image, each color represents a different type of bacteria on the tongue. Human tongue tissue, shown in the gray color, forms a central core from which the microbial community grows outward, as indicated by the clusters and stripes. In an NIDCR-funded study, scientists used a new technique to visualize fluorescently labeled bacteria in intact biofilms scraped from the tongues of 21 healthy human volunteers. In this study, 3 particular bacteria were present in all 21 participants of the study. The red color is Actinomyces bacteria, the cyan colored is Rathia bacteria, and the green color is Streptococcus bacteria. So why is this important? These 3 bacteria groups suggest that they may be important to maintaining oral and overall health. For example, the red bacteria, the Actinomyces, and the cyan-colored bacteria, or Rathia, on the tongue are thought to help convert naturally occurring chemical compounds found in certain foods, such as nitrates, and convert it into forms that the body can use for basic functions. Such efforts can help scientists better define microbes' role in conditions like gum disease and tooth decay, and can help identify microbial targets for treating diseases and maintaining health in the mouth and beyond. The stages and progression of periodontitis or gum disease is very specific and pronounced. Some of the symptoms include red, swollen, or tender gums or other pain in your mouth, maybe bleeding gums while brushing, flossing, or eating hard food. If you have gums that are receding or pulling away from the teeth, causing the teeth to look longer than before, you are advancing into gingivitis and periodontitis. If you have loose or separating teeth, or maybe even pus between your gums and teeth, or sores in your mouth, this is advancing into advanced periodontitis. Please be sure you have frequent visits with your dentist and also your physician to discuss your oral health and how this may be affecting your existing overall health, or if you need to take more advanced steps from a dental care perspective. Now, there are steps you can proactively take to keep your teeth clean and healthy, and that includes eating these 8 food items and making them part of your dietary staple. Leafy green vegetables are the most common food items for healthy living and healthy teeth, as they are rich in vitamins and minerals and low in calories. Leafy greens such as kale and spinach boost our oral health. They're also high in calcium, which helps build the enamel on our teeth. They also contain folic acid, which is also a type of B vitamin and has an enormous range of health benefits. So maybe consider adding a handful of baby spinach or kale to your salad, or add it into a smoothie next time. Fruits are another food item that makes your mouth happy. Fruits like apples might be sweet, but they're also high in fiber and water content. Eating an apple produces saliva in your mouth, which rinses away bacteria and food particles that are unwanted. The fibrous consistency of apples also stimulates the gums. Strawberries have a naturally acidic property to them which can help neutralize your mouth, adjusting the pH level for optimal oral health. Strawberries also contain malic acid, which is a natural tooth whitener, and they have high amounts of vitamin C, which will reduce gum inflammation and keep gum disease away. Fresh cranberries have been shown to have numerous benefits to the body due to their high antioxidant makeup. They inhibit bacteria's growth on the back of teeth. Now, dried cranberries won't work for this, as they have sugar in them, so focus on fresh cranberries. Now, they might be hard to snack on, but it is possible. Raisins also have been shown to contain phytochemicals, which naturally fight off bacteria, preventing the growth of cavities. Raisins do not contain any sucrose, which has been shown to feed on cavities. So if you haven't been adding raisins to your diet before, you might consider it now. Meats are another food that can help your teeth. Most meats offer some of the most crucial nutrients, and chewing meat builds saliva. This is key. More saliva is good because it reduces the acidity in your mouth and washes away particles of food that lead to tooth decay. Red meat and organ meats are especially helpful for this purpose. Fatty fish like salmon and also tofu are loaded with phosphorus, which is an important mineral for protecting tooth enamel. Chocolate. Yes, dark chocolate. Not every kind of chocolate is good for you, but dark chocolate is highly beneficial as long as it's at least 70% cacao and eaten in moderation. It is a superfood for the teeth due to a compound called CBH, which is shown to help harden tooth enamel, making your teeth less susceptible to tooth decay. So, indulge. Green and black tea is good for your oral health. These teas contain polyphenols that interact with plaque bacteria. This chemical prevents bacteria from growing or creating acid that attacks your teeth. It is also the source of fluoride, which also prevents cavities from developing. So the next time you pour yourself a cup of tea, drink to your health. Sugarless chewing gum is also another food item that's a nice saliva maker that removes food particles from your mouth. Chewing sugar-free gum helps protect your teeth and gums in between meals when it may not be possible to brush with a toothbrush and use fluoride toothpaste. Your teeth are more at risk of acid attack after you have eaten. The acid is produced by plaque bacteria, and the sugars in our food and drinks slowly dissolves away the enamel and dentine of the tooth, producing a hole or a cavity. So you can reduce this acid attack by chewing sugar-free gum to produce more saliva in the mouth, which is your mouth's natural defense against acid. Fluoride is a mineral well known for strengthening teeth and helping prevent dental cavities. What you might not know is that there are foods that are naturally high in fluoride. Since the amount of fluoride in foods can vary, it's added to public water supplies in some countries, including the US. Now, the amount of fluoride you need depends on your body weight, and that's determined by mass. But fluoride tends to accumulate in a mixture of both healthy and unhealthy foods, including tea, coffee, shellfish, grapes, such as raisins, wine, grape juice, artificial sweeteners, sodas, potatoes, flavored popsicles, baby foods, and on and on. So while carbonated soda may have fluoride, it's key to note that the sugary or carbonated drink can lead to more tooth decay through the acidic carbonation. And this can wipe out any good effect from the fluoride. So make sure you counteract that by drinking lots of water and flushing that carbonation through. Yogurt is another food item. It's high in calcium and protein, which makes it a suitable pick for the strength and health of your teeth and gums. The probiotics found in yogurt also benefits your gums because the good bacteria crosses out bacteria that cause cavities. If you choose to add more yogurt to your diet, pick a plain variety that has no sugar. Practicing good dental care from infancy to adulthood can help you keep your teeth and gums healthy. Healthy dental habits such as seeing a dentist every 6 months for a checkup, brushing twice a day for at least 2 minutes and flossing once a day, not using tobacco products, and drinking water and limiting sugary or alcoholic beverages are key to ensuring that you have good oral hygiene and a strong chance of having a long, healthy life. Smile. A healthy mouth can be a great asset. Our teeth have such an important role to play in our lives. They help us chew and digest food, and they help us to talk and speak clearly and give our face its shape. A smile has other day-to-day benefits. It gives us greater confidence, as well as influence our social lives, careers, and relationships. Because of this, it only makes sense to give our oral health the best care possible. A healthy smile can truly transform our visual appearance, the positivity of our mindset, as well as improving the health of not only our mouth, but our body as well. As you enjoy these fun facts, there are two that I want to point out. It takes 43 muscles to frown and only 17 muscles to smile. 61% of us have been attracted to somebody by their smile alone. That should be a huge incentive for you to smile more. Thank you so much for joining us today. Go out and smile some more and have a blessed day.